Hi guys, this is a video on my Atco Villiers. I do not know what model it is. So yeah, if one of you guys could post a comment telling me what make and model it is, then that would be great. And I'll just give you a quick look around. 4-stroke. See Atco on it somewhere, not sure. Carburetor there. Off an old lawnmower. That's a clutch connector, I think. Not sure. Nothing much down there apart from the oiler, whatnot. I picked that up along with the Lister D. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, once again, if any of you guys could post a comment on what model it is, then that would be great. Thanks for watching.